We're going to unbox this roll of Kentmere 400. We're going to load it into a couple of cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect. As a note, Kentmere 400 is my second favorite black and white film. It's an amazing stock and one that's really worth using. So we're going to open the box, tear off this tab, and we tear off this tab so that if your camera has a memo holder on the back like this, you can slide the tab into the box, and then you'll be able to remember what kind of film you're using while you take photos. Inside the box we have a plastic tub and a 35mm film cassette like this. Okay. To load the film into a camera with an automatic film advance, we simply open the back of the camera, drop the film in place, and pull out the leader and line up the end of the leader with the orange index on this side. Next we close the back and the film will either automatically advance or advance when we push the shutter for the first time. Some cameras like this have a set of silver pins down here on the side that read the DX code on the film cassette, and that tells the camera what film speed you're using. This camera does not have those. If your camera does not, be sure to set the film speed manually when you load the film. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same number. For cameras that have a manual film advance like this one, we're going to open up the camera. We're going to drop the film into the cassette chamber over here and push it down into place. Pull out a leader and feed the leader into the film take-up spool. Like that. Put our finger over the sprocket there and let it take up the first frame. Close the film back. Advance your film until you get to frame number 1, and remember to set your film speed at 400. And now here are some sample photos taken with Kentmere 400 so you know what to expect from this film.